To make macro photos on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, you will need to open Camera app on your device. Next step is to click on the photo mode and here on these three dots. Activate macro shot with this button, and after that you'll be able to change the mode between natural blur or full clarity. I prefer for full clarity option. Then you can lift your phone and just follow guidelines on the screen. So it will tell you to move further away. So move your phone further away and wait until you see macro shot, and that it also focuses on the object that you want to photograph. So now for some reason it doesn't want to focus, so shake your phone a little and then we can take a macro photo. Now after a moment, when we open it, it will be clear. As you can see, that's the macro photo. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.